Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be creating our book stand design. Now our basic overall shape is going to be made of two different sections, and they're going to be L-shaped pieces, so that when we put our book in here, these little tabs on the end are going to keep that book from slipping off. I like to start just by sketching out a basic L-shaped design. And I'm going to put a little tab up here at the top to hold that book in place. Now you can make whatever type of design you like. The design that I'm going to be drawing here is the one that I typically prefer. On this design, for a little more aesthetic appeal, I'm going to add a curve in and another curve out in front here. Put a curve on the bottom, and you could even put one on the back, but you want to be real careful because you're going to have your hinges attached to the back, so your curve would have to go between those hinges. Up at the top, I'm going to bring it up to a point and just go over it once more to see how it's going to look. You want to make sure and keep a couple of flat areas on the bottom so that when it sits on your desk, it does have a few points of contact that's going to keep it from tipping over or moving around on you. Additionally, you want your base point and your top point to be at somewhat of an angle, so the book is going to be sitting back a little bit, but not too far back you can't read it, and not too far forward that it doesn't hold it.